And in Miami, one of the best examples
Don't worry, if you're not in Miami, you will still make money. Keep watching.
is private beach versus public beach. So if you go a member of a beach
Don't worry, you can make money without beach.
club and you go there and they have towels and the chairs, everything, you can't get a chair unless you get there at 9 a.m. You have to
So basically, in Miami, private beaches are crowded, so you don't want to go there.
wait in line. The service is terrible. You get blocked. There's so many people in front of you. It's like a mosh pit. Okay, seriously. And you pay money to do this. You go
And people are actually paying money for this.
3 blocks down to the public beach. You put a towel. There's nobody there. And
But public beach are empty. So basically, if you make something private, exclusive, and put a price tag on it, people pay and you make money. If this sounds complicated to you, don't worry. If you go to beaches.com/affiliate, you can actually join an affiliate program where you can make money from beaches and beach related products without your own beach, without your own product, without customer support, without selling, and without even your own website. However, there is bad news. Nowhere they have mentioned how much commission they pay for sale. That's why we don't do this. We do high ticket affiliate marketing that pays us 5 figures per week. And our beginner students just like you earn high ticket affiliate commission with the 99% done for you system. To learn more, check my profile, the first comment, and captions for a free case study.